Texans are mourning the loss of a beloved McLennan County judge. David Hodges passed away on Friday after battling ALS for more than 3 years. News 10's Isabella Quintanilla joins us now in studio with more on his time in McLennan County and the legacy he leaves behind. Isabella.
Yes, that's right, Gordon. According to those who knew him, Judge Hodges was well known for being a kind and fair judge. In his 40 years of public service, he touched the lives of many in McLennan County and across the state.
Back in 1982, Judge David Hodges was elected to the McLennan County Court at Law, serving there for 20 years. That's how Judge Vic Davenigam first met Hodges, who he says was a mentor and a friend of his, making him the judge he is today.
For me personally, Hodges, his legacy will always be his kindness. He treated people with respect. He treated attorneys, defendants with respect. I've tried to continue that legacy as well.
Hodges took retired status in 2002, but returned to McLennan County in 2015 when he was appointed an associate judge.
I had an opportunity to be sworn in by him as a lawyer, and then about 21 years later, he swore me in as a judge in the same court that he used to practice in.
Associate Judge Rob Swatton, who now presides over the specialty court, says Hodges made this court what it is today.
He developed the court, developed a lot of the procedures that the court still follows to this day, was involved with the treatment and care of a lot of different participants in that court.
Unfortunately, Hodges was diagnosed with ALS back in 2022.
ALS is a terrible, debilitating disease. David handled it, and Kimberly, his wife, handled it with as much grace as I think anybody could.
Working another 2 years before deciding to retire back in January 2024. Those close to him say they knew his time was near.
The last time I saw him, I talked to him, spent time with him, he was at peace.
But we're still saddened to hear about his passing, sharing that Hodges was truly one of a kind.
There'll certainly be something always missing from this court, in my opinion, because he no longer presides over this court. So I think we'll miss him greatly.
At this time, services and funeral arrangements have yet to be announced, but it's likely many will be in attendance to honor Judge Hodges. Reporting in studio, Isabella Quintanilla, KWTX News 10.